So, did you hear about this? We talked about it, right?
Smartphone for Snapdragon insiders.
This is the Qualcomm phone. You can pre-order it now.
1,500 bigs?
Yeah. What do you think?
That's a couple of dollars, man. So hang on a second. You're acting like I'm supposed to know about this. You're acting like I have a tech channel on YouTube that I've been doing for a decade. No, I do vaguely remember this. Yeah. So it's to their spec. It's like almost like when Google had the Nexus program. This is Qualcomm's ideal setup.
Yeah, where they would call the shots, and I'm guessing Asus is the manufacturer.
Right. Well, you're not guessing. It's on their store there.
Yeah.
So no guess necessary.
Touche.
Okay, 6.7-inch display, 7.8, which is going to be 2448 by 1080, 144 hertz. So it's the gaming phone, Samsung AMOLED. Mm-hmm. So they're taking the ROG 5, is it? Is the latest one? Mm-hmm. ROG Phone 5? Anyway, whatever. They're taking the latest ROG phone and stripping the gaming styling out of it, but the spec looks the same, 144 hertz, 16 gigs of RAM, the Snapdragon 888, 512 storage, Sony IMX 686 sensor, ultra wide with the IMX 363. So is the software going to be different as well?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I don't think so. I think Qualcomm just decided to make their own phone.
This is very interesting. Pre-order ends in 28 days. It comes with those buds, those earbuds, and it's got this nice kind of dark blue to it. Now, the fingerprint scanner on the rear there, that's not on the gaming phone.
No.
So there are some hardware changes here. Does it have that big Snapdragon logo on the back? That's a bit much, no?
Well, they got to advertise somehow.
This is, I am very interested.
We should check it out.
Quite captivated.
For the price, I definitely think it's not a competition. I just think it's just so outrageous.
I'm so curious what they think they're going to do here as far as volume is concerned. Are they trying to make like 1,000 of these and that's it? Is it the Snapdragon Insider phone? Very cool. All right.
Yeah.
Send us one, Qualcomm. I need to know more here.